Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Green Heaven and Gardening Paradise is the name of my garden. It is my favorite place in the house. I built this garden plant by plant with the help of my grandmother. We cleared the backyard of our house and with some old gardening tools. We planted our first sapling in a corner. It bloomed in a few weeks. I never looked back after that. Today, my garden has over 20 flowers, including my favorite, white lily, and 5 different fruit trees. I also love roses grown in my garden. During spring in my garden look like heaven with lots of butterflies, birds and small insects making their home in it. My day starts with a cup of tea, a newspaper and the fruity and flower smell in the air as I sit in the midst of my garden. I love the essence and vibe of my garden. It fills me with calmness and energy every morning. After doing walk, I also practice and yoga with my grandfather in my garden. Whenever I feel restless and disturbed, I seek refuge in my garden only. It gives me so much space. My garden is an outcome of a joint project undertaken by my father and grandfather. They both are very fond of planting trees. My grandfather was a farmer and therefore has a tremendous amount of knowledge of different varieties of fertilizers, shrubs, herbs. And thanks for watching.